To start Vision Element 3, double-click on the Visionelements.exe that you find in the bin folder. By clicking on the flag in the upper left, you can change the language of the software. To load a project, either click on Project and then Load to browse your file system, or load a recent project by selecting it under Last Loaded Projects. Then enter your username and password. The standard password for the commissioning user admin is also admin, so you can just copy and paste. Once the project is loaded, you can see the project structure in the upper left. By expanding World, Sensor Tool and Tool Offset, you can choose the serial number of the Hemming tool the sensor is attached to for getting the right offset values. By further expanding Internal Sensor Coordinate System, you can select the correct sensor for your project from the network. The sensor serial number can be found on the type plate on side of the sensor. Attention! Before binding the sensor, you should enter the correct network settings for the sensor to run in the production environment. The network settings will be provided by the plant manufacturer. The personal computer you use for commissioning of the Vision Scanner 2 should be configured to be in the same subnet. Once the sensor is bound to the project, you can connect to the sensor by clicking on the double arrow in the upper left. The green color shows that you are connected. Next to the double arrow there is a symbol for the automation interface that should also become green when successfully connected. Now you can upload the project to the sensor by clicking on the single orange arrow.